Hi, I'm Bill Cook. I'm in Greenlee County Cooperative Extension over here in Duncan, Arizona, on the farthest east edge of the state. We're in USDA Hardiness Zone 8A, Sunset Zone 10. We're in a good place to grow a lot of fruit, a lot of different varieties. The big challenge here, where we're at, is late frost. And that probably goes for most of us in Arizona. So I've devised a couple of frost strategies here that seem to be working. First thing, I like to select a late blooming variety, which is typically a higher chill variety. This particular tree is, I believe it was a Hail Haven. It's like a 700-hour variety, something like that. So just the fact that it doesn't get its full chill is going to slow it down a little bit. The other thing that has really worked well here, as a matter of fact, I'm thinking my Christmas tree is going to go and I'm going to plant another peach in its place. Right here is a north-facing wall. The wall here, straight north. So in the winter, when the aspect of the sun is low, this is all in the shade right here. This is about the only spot on the place where my water lines actually freeze at a depth of 8 inches. So this soil stays really cold, and of course, as spring comes and the sun aspect gets higher, the soil under these does not get the warmth of the sun until April. So beyond air temperature, something that influences your bloom is your soil temperature. So I'm taking advantage of this shade here to keep the soil cooler with a late blooming variety, 2 late blooming varieties, and since I put this in, this is summer number 5 for this little tree, and this will be summer number 4 of having to thin fruit. There's a lot of fruit on there when you start looking at it. So 4 out of 5 for peaches where I live is really good. So what can we do to keep soil cool in other places? Well, you can grow a cover crop through the winter. You can let some grass or some vetch or something like that grow up in your orchard to shade the soil. You can go out there and run a sprinkler once in a while and keep it moist. That will help keep the soil cooler, which will also delay the blossom. So there's a few little tricks like that, and this is one that has worked for me, is keeping the soil cool. So there you have it, frost control strategy.